In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable double-click side button for Apple Pay and Wallet. The double-click shortcut lets you quickly bring up your wallet and Apple Pay from the lock screen by pressing the side button twice. It's super handy at checkout, but if it triggers accidentally in your pocket, you might want to turn it off. Here's how to change the setting and what it means for everyday use. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. It's the grey icon with gears on your home screen or in your app library. Settings is where all system preferences live, including payment and wallet options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. It's listed alongside other Apple services. Tap it to open the Wallet settings page. This is the hub for payment cards, passes, and how Apple Pay behaves on your device. On this page, look for the switch labelled double-click side button. If you want the shortcut enabled, make sure the switch is turned on. With it on, pressing the side button twice from the lock screen quickly opens your card so you can authenticate and pay. When the shortcut is on, you'll still authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before a payment is approved so your cards stay protected. If you prefer to avoid accidental activations, turn the switch off. With it off, double-clicking the side button will no longer pull up Apple Pay or Wallet, and you'll simply wake or lock the phone as usual. A quick tip to confirm the change: lock your iPhone and press the side button twice. If the toggle is on, you'll see your wallet appear. If it's off, nothing wallet related will pop up. This setting only controls the shortcut. Your cards and passes remain in the Wallet app, and you can still use Apple Pay inside supported apps and websites when you choose to check out there. If you don't see Wallet and Apple Pay in Settings, it may be due to regional availability, device support, or organizational restrictions on managed devices. Updating to the latest iOS version can also help surface the most current options. That's all you need. Open Settings, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, and toggle double-click side button to match your preference. Whether you want instant access at terminals or a quieter lock screen, you now have control over how quickly Wallet appears. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you need a quick refresher.